So now we have this model from the previous section, and if we turn on the right plane, and we see that our model is symmetrical about right plane, as well our loads and our mechanical properties are also symmetrical about this plane. In this case, we can use only half of this model and we can have a big saving in time. So first, we have to cut this model using this plane. So let's select right plane. Let's go to Analysis Preparation and let's use Intersect. Like this. And now let's choose this model. Create both and intersect. And now here we can choose which part do we want to cut. Do we want to cut this part or this half? And we're going to use this half like this. Now let's click OK. And now we have only half of the model. Now the next thing that we have to do, we have to create geometry for half symmetry model. So we must break our model into sections for loads and fixtures. So let's go to this face. And let's go to Sketch. And let's choose a line. And let's go with line here. Like this. And here we have 20 millimeters. Okay, and now we can go to Analysis Preparation, Split Line, and here we can choose this face and split. And now we have this region here for our force. Now let's make a split line here. So let's go to this face again, Normal 2, Sketch, and let's go with line here. From this point to this point. Let's go to Analysis, Split Line, and now let's choose this surface here, and OK. Like this. Now we have this, and now we have to create a split line here. So let's go to this face here, Normal 2. Let's create a sketch here. Let's go with line. From the center here to the right side. Horizontal line. And now let's go to Analysis Preparation, Split Line, and again let's choose this surface here, and OK. And now here we're gonna apply bearing load. Now as we see, force here is symmetric about this plane, right plane, as well as bearing load, as well as pressure here. Now we have to create a split line here. So let's go to this face again, this one. Normal 2. Let's go to Sketch, this face. Let's go with line. Let's go from this point to this point here. But now later, when we're gonna remove fillet, because we don't need a fillet in the study analysis, it only makes trouble when creating a mesh, we have to define a different constraint here. So instead of coincident, we're gonna define an angle here. So let's right click here on this coincident and delete. Now let's choose Smart Dimension. From this edge to this line, we're gonna have 69.77 degrees, and OK. Now let's go to Analysis Preparation again, Split Line, and now let's choose this surface here, and OK. And now here we're gonna apply our pressure. And now we prepared our model for loads, and now we have to prepare our model for fixture. So here we're gonna have a bolt, so we're gonna simulate bolt with a fixed geometry. So we have to make here offset entities with a sketch. Let's go Normal 2, and let's go to Sketch. Let's create a sketch here. Let's go with offset entities from this edge, and we're gonna have 3 millimeters like this. Now we're gonna use Analysis Preparation and Split Line, and we're gonna choose this face and OK. And now here we can apply our fixture. Now, since we don't need this fillet, we're going to suppress this fillet here. So we can go to our tree, right click and suppress. And now we see that our split line is still here. The next thing that we have to do, we have to create here a coordinate system, local coordinate system for our bearing load. We use that coordinate system for orientation of the bearing load, but let's first create a new plane. Let's choose this face. Let's go to Features, Reference Geometry, New Plane. Let's go to Other Side, like this, and let's create a sketch on this plane. Let's go Normal 2, and let's choose Point. And let's put this point here in the center. Okay, and let's exit sketch. We can hide this plane. And now we can create a new coordinate system. Reference Geometry, Coordinate System. And let's choose the origin, this point here. And here we have X, Y, and Z. Let's click OK. And now this half of the model is prepared for the analysis.